I'm Kathryn Capan, and I'm a nurse practitioner with Prisma Health OBGYN. I work in the OBGYN department. I have always loved women's care, always knew I wanted to be a nurse. Starting out on labor and delivery and then working as a women's health manager at an FQHC, I decided that being a nurse practitioner was really for me so that I could provide comprehensive care to women. I love to communicate with patients. I love to learn about them, love to learn about their families. It really helps me know where to steer them as far as educating them. I educate about contraception. My passion is really pregnancy and high-risk obstetrics. I love to educate patients during pregnancy, letting them to know what to expect. I love especially working with first-time moms. I am one of the nurse practitioners who's heavily involved in our Centering Pregnancy program. I think it's a great program for all moms, but especially first-time moms and teen moms. I do a lot of groups with teenagers who are first or second-time moms, and I love to work with them, love to educate them, and I think that Centering Pregnancy is a really good way to do that. Centering Pregnancy is basically group prenatal care. So we put a group of moms together, usually a group of 5 to 12 moms, and they do all their prenatal care together in groups. We have a small 5 to 10 minute session with each mom individually so they can ask the provider any questions that they may have that are more private. And then the rest of the session is basically an hour and a half to 2 hours of education. So what's going on at that time in their pregnancy. What fuels my passion is my patients. I love, love, love my patients. I love taking care of women, and I love to educate young women on contraception. I love to lead women through pregnancy and prenatal care. And then I love helping them once they get to that perimenopausal and menopausal age, because so many unexpected things are happening. And I just love to work with them through that whole process and get to know them throughout their lifespan. I inspire health through my patients really through counseling about diet and exercise. That's another passion of mine. I love to counsel patients on healthy lifestyle. Love to let them know dietary recommendations. I love to tell them about exercise recommendations, how it can help them to feel good and really enjoy their lives more. So interests outside of healthcare. I love to run. I'm a runner. I love to exercise. I'm very passionate about fitness outside of healthcare. And I guess that kind of goes along with healthcare as well, but it's definitely a passion of mine. I always am outside running if the weather allows. And I also love to read. To make an appointment, call the number on the page.